Are you also facing this issue in the BDO Bank app where it shows account is locked temporarily? If yes, then comment yes below so I can understand how many people are dealing with this problem right now. Now, first of all, don't panic. This is actually a security feature, not a permanent issue. BDO locks your account temporarily to protect your money and personal data from suspicious activity. The good news is, this is not permanent, and in most cases, your account will be unlocked automatically after some time. Let's understand what this message really means. When you see account is locked temporarily, it simply means the system detected something unusual and decided to block access for safety reasons. Now let's talk about the most common reasons behind this problem. Reason number 1, you try to log in multiple times in a short period with incorrect details like the wrong password or username. This is one of the most common causes. The system thinks someone might be trying to guess your login. Reason number 2, you logged in from a new device. If you suddenly switch to a different phone or tablet, the system may flag it as unusual activity. Reason number 3, using VPN, proxy, or public Wi-Fi. If your internet connection looks suspicious or is shared by many users, like in public networks, the system may temporarily block access. Sometimes even small things like switching locations quickly or unstable internet can trigger this. Now let's move to the solutions. Wait. In most cases, this lock is temporary and will automatically be removed within a few hours to a few days. So the best thing you can do is stay patient and try again later. Update your app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the BDO app from official sources like the Play Store or App Store. An updated app gives better security and performance. Avoid repeated login attempts. Don't keep trying again and again immediately. This can increase the lock duration. Use a secure network. Avoid public Wi-Fi or VPN while logging in. Always use your personal mobile data or trusted Wi-Fi. And if your account is still locked after a long time, then the final step is to contact BDO customer support. They can verify your identity and help unlock your account safely. So remember, this issue is temporary and mainly for your protection. There is no need to worry unless it stays for too long. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and comment your experience. And if you want more solutions like this, make sure to follow for more useful updates.